The Statue of Unity, standing at an impressive 182 meters, is the world's tallest statue, surpassing China's Spring Temple Buddha. It is a tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, India's first Deputy Prime Minister and a key figure in uniting the country after independence. Located in Kevadia, Gujarat, on the banks of the Narmada River, this engineering marvel was inaugurated on October 31, 2018, on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's 143rd birth anniversary. The project was an ambitious feat of architecture, engineering, and national pride built to symbolize unity and India's rich heritage. But how did India achieve this monumental task? Let's explore the journey behind building the Statue of Unity. The idea for the Statue of Unity was first proposed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2010 when he was serving as the Chief Minister of Gujarat. His vision was to create a monument that would honor the legacy of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, who played a crucial role in uniting over 562 princely states to form modern India after independence. This ambitious project was not just about building a statue, it was about creating a national symbol of unity, strength, and patriotism. This statue is aimed to educate future generations about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's leadership and contributions to India's unification. It also aims to boost tourism and economic development in Gujarat, making it a globally recognized landmark. Further, it is also aimed at promoting national integration by celebrating Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's efforts in uniting India. To oversee and manage the project, the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Rashtriya Ekta Trust was established. This trust was responsible for fundraising, planning, and executing the construction of the statue. A nationwide initiative known as the Loha campaign was launched, where iron was collected from farmers across India to symbolize national unity and contribute to construction process. The Statue of Unity was envisioned as more than just a tribute, it was a reflection of India's engineering excellence and cultural heritage. Its strategic location near the Sardar Sarovar Dam was chosen to emphasize Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's role in promoting large-scale development projects in independent India. By building this monumental structure, the government aimed to create a landmark that would stand the test of time, inspiring citizens and future generations with Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's ideals of unity and integrity. The design of the Statue of Unity was conceptualized by Padma Bhushan winning sculptor Ram V. Sutar. He aimed to create a realistic and respectful representation of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, showcasing his determined expression, dignified stance, and traditional dhoti-clad attire. Height of the statue is 182 meters, including the base nearly twice the height of Statue of Liberty. The materials used to make the statue is around 1,850 metric tons of bronze cladding. A steel framework of 18,500 metric tons was used, and its core is made of 210,000 cubic meters of reinforced concrete. This statue can withstand winds up to 180 km per hour and can survive earthquakes measuring up to 6.5 on the Richter scale. The government collected iron from farmers across India, symbolizing national unity. Nearly 129 tons of iron were collected, melted, and used in the statue's foundation. The bronze panels were manufactured in China as no Indian facility could produce them in the required quantity. The steel and concrete were sourced locally from Indian manufacturers. Larsen and Toubro, that is L&T, won the construction contract for Rs 2,989 crore in 2014. Over 3,000 workers and 250 engineers worked round the clock to complete the statue in just 46 months. The bronze panels were cast in China's Jiangxi Tongqing metal handcrafts and assembled in India. The statue's core was built first using a strong reinforced concrete structure. The steel framework was added to support the external bronze panels. The bronze cladding, consisting of 565 macro bronze panels, was fitted onto the frame. The sheer height of the statue posed a challenge in maintaining structural integrity. Engineers had to design special joints and reinforcement to counterbalance the weight. The statue's extended walking posture made load distribution complex. The import of bronze panels from China caused some delays due to international shipping constraints. Transporting heavy materials to remote Kevadia was a logistical challenge. Conservationists were initially concerned about the statue's impact on Narmada ecosystem. Measures were taken to minimize environmental damage, including afforestation projects around the site. The Statue of Unity has become a major tourist attraction, drawing over 10 million visitors in its first 3 years. It boosted local employment with many job opportunities in hospitality, transport, and tourism. The region now hosts additional attractions like Jungle Safari Park, Valley of Flowers, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Zoological Park. In 2022, the Statue of Unity surpassed the Taj Mahal in terms of daily visitors. Here are some interesting facts about the Statue of Unity. It is the fastest constructed mega structure which was completed in just 46 months. It is world's tallest statue, taller than Statue of Liberty which is 93 meter and Spring Temple Buddha which is 153 meter. Viewing gallery at 153 meter height provides a panoramic view of the Narmada River and Sardar Sarovar Dam. Seismic shock absorbers are used in the statue to resist earthquakes. LIDAR-based monitoring systems are adopted for structural stability. The Statue of Unity is more than just a tall structure. It is a symbol of India's unity, progress, and technological achievement. Built with a blend of traditional artistry and modern engineering, it stands as a testament to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's legacy and India's growing infrastructure capabilities. With millions of visitors flocking each year, the Statue of Unity has not only honored history but also fueled tourism, economy, and employment opportunities in the region. It is a shining example of what India can achieve on a global scale. As India continues to build record-breaking landmarks, the Statue of Unity remains a powerful reminder of the strength and determination that shaped the nation. Thank you. See you soon next time.